My name is Andrew Karic. I have been a general contractor and developer for over 35 years, working in the southwestern United States, and have become an expert in construction and claim disputes in construction of all matters. Some of the experience that I have learned over the years with respect to cost reports in litigation is extremely important to attorneys, because I believe that they are the heartbeat of any construction company, and they can be extremely relevant in a lawsuit. A cost report is the accounting of a project, and it starts from the original estimate. There are several companies that provide software for cost reports. Over the last 20 years, I have worked with Timberline cost reports throughout my construction companies. I think a big question that attorneys should be asking themselves is, what is so important about cost reports? If there is a lawsuit that your client is involved in, and it has to do with the finances on a project, or what your client might owe to a subcontractor, or what a subcontractor might owe to a second-tier subcontractor, a cost report can come into play as a legal document to be used in a trial or in a mediation. In 35 years, I have worked with many project managers in understanding the importance of cost reports as a general contractor. A cost report is a very important tool that tells the financial story of the project. It includes matters such as the original contract budget, change orders, cost to date, invoices in the system, invoices that have been paid, change orders approved by the owner, change orders that are strictly due from scope items. And I can't tell you how many times I have met with project managers to train them in the proper accounting of entering invoices and costs into a cost report, and to accurately portray what the costs of a job are going forward in a cost report. Of particular importance when a general contractor is involved in a cost-plus job that is completely transparent with an owner, and a dispute arises relative to the costs in that project, the cost report tracks all of the costs of the project and can be used as a document to help support the claim of the costs that have been set up in the job and have been expensed on the project in a cost-plus situation. There is so much information that can be gathered in a cost report that can be used in a lawsuit to help you identify costs in a project, whether it's a disputed contract over change orders or a disputed contract over the original budget, or even debating costs with the owner. The cost report is a tool that can be used to help you identify those components of a lawsuit, whether you are representing an owner, a builder, or a subcontractor. As an attorney in the construction business, I can't remind you enough how important it is to make sure that you reinforce to your clients the importance of cost reports. Not only if they get into a lawsuit, but the importance of them in running their business. I can tell you, with 35 years of cost report reading, working with bond companies, editing cost reports, and teaching people how to use cost reports, that they are an invaluable tool in the courtroom and as a general contractor running a construction business. On the next case that you come into litigation with that have to do with cost reports and cost accounting, please contact me to help you understand how important these cost reports are and how beneficial they can be to your lawsuit.